Subtract and conquer. Word problems made easy. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English language learning video. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of subtraction word problems. This is a fantastic way to apply both your math and English skills simultaneously. Our focus will be on how to understand, interpret, and solve subtraction word problems. So, let's dive in. Subtraction word problems in English often involve scenarios where something is being taken away or removed. It could be money, objects, or even time. To understand these problems, it's important to recognize key words and phrases like subtract, minus, take away, difference, less than, and remaining. Here's an example. John had 10 apples. He ate 3. How many apples does John have left? In this sentence, the action of John eating apples is a clue that subtraction is needed. The word left also suggests that we need to find out the remaining number of apples. The key to interpreting subtraction word problems is breaking down the problem into smaller parts. Let's take the same example. John had 10 apples. He ate 3. How many apples does John have left? Firstly, we identify the total number of items, 10 apples. Then, we determine what's being taken away, 3 apples. The problem is asking us for what's left after this action, which leads us to the subtraction operation. 10 to 3. To solve the problem, we perform the subtraction operation we've identified. In this case, it would be 10 total apples minus 3 eaten apples. The result of 10 minus 3 is 7. So, John has 7 apples left. The process becomes 1. Identify the total number. 2. Identify what's being subtracted. 3. Subtract the second number from the first. And there you have it. Now you know how to understand, interpret, and solve subtraction word problems in English. Remember to look for key phrases and break down the problem into parts. With a little practice, you'll become a pro at this. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.